Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, third row seating, MP3. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at 2012 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, tire pressure monitor. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.